How do I get started using Encore? When you log into Encore, you will be brought to the Get Started area in the Help page. Under Contact Us, there is a form to send an email to the support team. This is useful if you have a non-urgent question. The Assist login area is used when working with the support team. It allows them to log in with you on your Windows or Mac computer and provide assistance by giving you a one-time code to type in. If you scroll down, you will find the support and sales department contact info and hours. Call the toll-free support number with any issues or questions you may have as you start navigating Encore. Next, click on the Get Started tab. The Get Started section of Encore is designed to guide you through the steps that you need to complete in order to begin using Encore to book appointments and ring in sales. We recommend following the process as it is listed here, as it will get you started with Encore as quickly as possible. The sections listed here are System, Employees, Services, Guests and Products. Click the Guide button to be sent to the Encore knowledge base. Here, you will find written instructions to help you with setup. Click the Video button to be taken to the tutorial video for that section. Watch the video to learn how to set up that area. Click on a section item to be sent to that specific area to begin setup. For example, we clicked on Setup Sales Taxes. Once you have finished in an area, navigate back to the Help button in the Encore menu. When a guide has been completed, it will turn green. Guides that have not been completed will be red and optional guides are yellow. You can always click on a guide item even after completing it to go back to that area. If you have multiple employees entered into the system, more than one person can be working through the Get Started sections in order to complete things faster, as they will know which areas are already complete. They will need to log in on a separate computer or mobile device to do this. If you have any questions, you can contact our support team for assistance. We have now gone over how to get started with Encore. Thanks for watching.